Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will show the suggested profiles. So let's go to VS Code and inside suggestions.js, after this div, I'll take one more div and here I will add some class names. So margin top will be 4, we need a grid and we need a gap of 5 between the grids, okay? Let me close this div and inside here, we will show the profiles. So profiles dot map, we are going to map the profile. So profile, okay, profile, and we need an arrow function. Here I'll add a component which we need to create. So suggested profile, and we need a key that is going to be profile dot doc id. Then we need user doc id, that is again going to be profile dot doc id dot doc id. Then we need username, that is going to be profile dot username. Then we need profile id, that is going to be profile dot user id. Then we need user id, that is going to be user id. Okay, let me close this component. Let me save this. Now, as we don't have this component, so we need to create it, okay? And we need to pass this user doc id, username, profile id, and user id as a prop. So let's create that. So inside the sidebar folder, I'll create a new file, and here I'll say suggested profiles. Sorry, suggested profile.js. Okay, not profiles, profile. And here I'll do RAFCE and press tab. So here we need to change this. I'll put a S as a capital, suggested profile. Let me just copy this and I'll just replace this. Okay, and here we are going to pass user doc id, then we need username, then we need profile id, then we need user id. Okay, and here I'm just going to check whether we are getting the username or not. Okay, so let me save this and let's okay, we need to import that. So import suggested profile. So here I'll say import suggested profile from suggested profile. Okay, let me save this. Let's go to the browser. Okay, suggested profile is not defined. Okay, let me refresh. So as you can see, we are getting this suggested profile, but the username we are not getting it. So what is the issue? Let me see. Profile dot username. Okay, NAME, spelling mistake. So here we are getting the name of the users which we are not following. So I'm not following Stephen, I'm not following Carlos. So we are getting this. So this is perfectly correct. And now what we have to do is, now let's go back to the suggested profile page and we need to import prop types. So import prop types from prop type. Okay, and here I'll say suggested profile dot prop type equals to user doc id prop type dot string dot. Now this time I'll take is required and see whether we are getting any issue or not. Is required. I'm sorry, this should be small. And let me duplicate 4 times and here I'll say username. Okay, then here I'll say profile ID, user ID. Okay, let's save this. And then we need we need to create a state. So here I'll say const followed, set followed equals to use state, and initially it will be false. Okay, and let's import use state from React. So use state. Let me save this. Now what are we going to do is, first let me check. Okay, we need to remove this consoles. There are a lot of console. See, there are a lot of consoles. So let me first complete the page, then we will remove the console. So here, as you can see, we have this console. So let me remove this. Okay, save this. Let's go back to suggested profile and let's complete this page. So let me remove the div, and after return, I'll say if not followed, if we don't follow any of the user, okay, then let's take a div with a class name that is going to be flex row item center. Okay, items center justify between. We close this div, open a div again with a class name that is going to be flex items center justify between. Now inside I'll take an image class name that is going to be rounded full, width will be 8, flex, and margin right will be 3. Okay, then I'll take an src that is going to be backtick key slash images slash avatars slash dollar curly braces user name dot jpg. Okay, then we need an alt tag that is going to be right now empty, and let's close this image tag, and we need to close this ternary operator. So if the condition is not true, then we'll pass null. Okay, let me save this and let's see what are we getting. So we are getting both the images, but now we need to have some link, okay, to click to follow. So what I'm going to do is, here we need to take a link component. So link, and if I click here, so it will auto import link from React Outer DOM. Here I'll say 2, that is going to be backslash slash p slash dollar username. Let me close this link tag, and here inside the link tag I'll take a p tag, and here I'll say username, correct, username, and we need some class names here as well inside the p tag. So font, that is going to be bold, text, that is going to be SM. Let me save this, go back. Are we getting the username? Yes, but now we need a button, I think so. So here I'll say button class name, that is going to be text extra small, font, that is going to be bold. Here I'll say follow. Okay, we need few more classes. So font bold, text blue, medium, which we have created. Okay, then here I'll say type, that is going to be button. why this is showing me red. So here I'll say on click, that is going to be an arrow function, console, let's console.log, follow this user. Okay, let me save this. Okay, we are getting some issue. Button, what is the issue? Let me cut this out. Let's see. Okay, this is fine. So some problem with the button. So I think after link we need to take the button. Okay, let's go back. So here we are getting this username follow. Let's inspect. Let me refresh it. I think there are a few more consoles. So I think there's one more console. So I'll remove that. And if I click on follow, so it will say follow this user, follow this user. So this is working fine. And let's check the CSS. So as you can see, we have this div. Inside we have, if there is anything related to CSS, we'll fix it. But right now, this is how it is looking. But maybe we need to see uh, what we can do to make it more uh, to look more better. Okay, so this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video where we will check if I follow any user, so it should remove from the suggested block. Okay, so this is it for this video, and see you in the next. Bye.